I'm Luana Rubin from Equilter.com. I'm here at the 2013 Quilt Festival in Birmingham, UK, and I would like to take you on a quick little tour of a very new category, the Fine Art Quilt Masters. And these are professional quilters and or quilts that the organizers feel should belong in a gallery. And so they've created this space that is very much like a gallery with beautiful lighting and a very thoughtful hanging of the quilts. And I'm going to show you a few of these quilts that caught our eye. This quilt is by Anne Smith. It's called Puppets, and as you can see, it's very eye-catching. It's one of the first things you see when you walk into this space, and very abstract, and I would say emblematic of what this exhibit is about. This piece by Diana Harrison is really a study in texture and light. It has been painted, fused, discharged, and then hand-stitched. And it gives a very graphic appearance, but across the room, of course, you have more a sense of light and dark. This huge piece by Dorothy Caldwell has discharge and hand-stitching and some applique, but again, because it's such a large scale, you really have a more overall impression of the piece. This piece by Gail Parker has a very interesting combination, or you might say contrast, of complementary colors and also bright colors versus earth tones. This piece by Dianne Firth has a very interesting contrast of opaque and transparent, and even more interesting is the secondary pattern design that is created by shadow and light behind this transparent piece. We'll finish up at the Quilt Masters exhibit here in front of this piece by Seeger, and we'll come back next year and see who picks up that 5,000-pound prize.